Hello, this is Judy. Thank you for joining me here on my YouTube channel today. And I am going to be working on sketch 23 from Chrissy's Beautiful Life, 30 Days of Sketches. And the prompt for Scraptember is hearts. And that is put on by Laura and the Scrappy Sisters. And this is a sketch by Click Kits. And it's really cute. So it fits with the hearts, right? So I wanted to get a SVG file that Close to My Heart just came out with, and it is this heart. I sized it down. They actually had it like a full size. And then with the SVG, you also get the flowers that fit around there and the inner part that you can put behind it or on top of it or however you want to layer up your heart. So it's kind of like a cut file. Basically, you probably heard that term in other areas of our paper crafting world. So I cut this out of my Cricut and I tore this part off and cut it. And then I'm like, oh, I want to color these. I'm like, I'm going to color them while they're on this sheet. And so I put the paper back on it so it doesn't get color all over my Cricut mat. These are my Distress Oxide tools. And then I have my Distress Oxide tin. And for the photos for this is our kitty cat, Periwinkle. And she is no longer with us, so I wanted to do a really nice layout for her. She passed away this spring. We miss her. But she used to sit outside the door or the house. We have a lot of land, live on a farm, so our cats are barn cats, but she thought she was a house cat. She always wanted to come in the house, but unfortunately when she came in the house she liked to live on top of the kitchen table. So she wasn't allowed in the house very much, just on special occasions. And you can see she had a big fur coat, so she was fine outside, and she liked to sit on our grill. She was silly. But she was always there, always friendly, always, you know, gave a meow. So she was a very kind kitty cat. And we miss her. So I wanted to do a nice page for her. And I brought out this wood. And I'm thinking I might layer it behind my cut file. I'm not sure. I had the Harbor glitter paper on my desk. So I've been trying to use this. It kind of matches with the silver of the grill. This was sitting on my desk too, so I didn't know if I could use that somewhere. And then this gold flag kind of arrow. And also on my table was this, where I had done some experimenting with some inks and stuff. So I thought I might be able to use that as a base layer. And then I have this that I'm going to color and decorate and make it a really, really pretty page. Okay, so let's see what colors I want to use. A scattered straw, mustard seed, tattered rose would be good, spice marmalade. I think I'm going to go with festive berries. The picked raspberry is very vibrant. This is a more toned down pink. So I think that will go good with the tattered rose. And the festive berries. So we're going to make this the heart. And these little blender tools are only for Distress Oxide. And I have one per color family. So I'd use this one for any of the reds. And we'll see how much color is on it. A little bit. So I can go ahead and make this a little decorated with some color. This is going to look so nice over that wood grain. And it blends so nice with all the colors. They just blend together. I want to do some splatters. I would probably use some white and gold because I think that goes well with this. And I will layer up the photos, probably put them on some of the red. I don't think this paper is going to work. The green just isn't matching, right? You'll do that. Nope. Nope. So nope, that one's not going to work. So we'll pull out another one and do some new splatters on it. Bring out my water brush. I'm not going to waste this beautiful paint here. So I'm going to go ahead and get a blank piece and do my packaging technique for another layout or some cards or what have you. I can also get some water droplets on these. Brought out my chalk paint. This is acrylic paint. I just want to use it to make some white splatters on here. I thought I'd pull out some of my cat paper and see if there was anything in it that I can use. And I think that that quote might be really good because she was like, "I'm not a barn cat, let me in." And these are from Echo Park, the cat collection from, gosh, I don't know when. I don't know. I don't see a date on it. But, oh, 2017. So it's not as old as I thought. And these are old. So, oh, there's a photo play collection. I might be able to use some of those. I love this cat here. There might be some in the sticker sheet there. Got some Hello Kitty. But I'll go through all of this and see if there's anything I can use, and then I will show you what I find when I come back, right? I also got some stamp sets I thought I could use, and if I don't use the cat images, I could use the sayings that are on them. I like this one that says eat, sleep, play, repeat, and they're really cute. And then this one is a sympathy one for one that has passed. So those would be really good too. But I really like this one. It's got these kitties. So And then this one is a whole card layer, and it has a bunch of sayings on it. And then I've got my cat and dog binder that has lots of stuff in it. So I'm sure I'm going to have more than I need for one page. So we'll see what I can find. Okay, I really like how this layout came out. Oh, I miss her. But anyways, I didn't write about her passing in here because this was months before that happened, so I didn't want to do that yet. But I really love how the hearts go across the layout to draw my eye through. And I just wanted to add one more thing to it. And these little pieces were from the insides of the heart, this part here, the little diamonds. I thought those are really cute, and I'm going to add some of the red shimmer brush to them just to make them really glow. I also added a line down both sides for my border with my journaling pen. I did a line around my hearts with the white gel pen, and I like that. The only thing I've left, I'm going to put something in the center here. So I'm going to find either some sequins or gems to put there for the inside of my flowers. So I will have close-ups at the end, and thank you for joining me again, and I hope you like this. Please subscribe and leave me a comment. I love to see the comments. I really appreciate you taking the time to do that. And in the video description, make sure you check out the other creative people that are joining in with these sketches, and it's just a lot of inspiration. Thank you. Have a good day.